Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the photos in YouTube. This is new and this is, this actually not have a name. Okay, I need to type. First, listenery emote. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Wait, what is not working? This have to be on top. Wait. Can I restart? No, what's happening? I get stuck. First, listenery emote. Okay, this is kind of long, but we'll start. I first click on plus and click on pause and click picture. What do you want? I want to be okay. I make two news ones and you have to click and just click pause. When you're done, you go back here and you have it. But when you want to get more subscribers, just make YouTube Shorts. This will help.